hell are you looking at on my computer?
I'm just looking at the Tac Sac.
So that's a porn-free computer. You got a bunch of nut sacks on there.
Well, last time I said it's okay to be gay. Don't ask, don't tell was the deal.
I told you, no looking at porn on my computer.
It's not gay porn. Tac Sac. It's a tactical sack you can mount to your rifle.
Becoming black, blue, and tan. So you can get blue balls, black balls, and tan balls.
I'll show you on my rifle. It's mounted on any of these rails. It's a Tac Sac. Mount them on here. You can even mount them on your flat top, so when you're shooting, the balls are right in your face. It's a Tac Sac. Why wouldn't you want a Tac Sac?
Yeah, that's just weird. I think I'd rather be tactical than tactical. That's tactical. You're not tactical, Timmy. You're tactical.
Tactical sack makes you more tactical, so that way, that's why Timmy Tango was ordering a tactical Tac Sac.
Well, you keep looking at your balls. I'm going to go back to sleep.